Today we have this MacBook Pro with a backlight problem. The client says it has a backlight problem, so we have to figure out what is the cause and then if truly it has a backlight issue. So turn it on and then wait for a while and see if we have an image on the screen. Okay, so it has a backlight problem, so we have to open it and then check what's wrong with the motherboard. Okay, so we'll be right back. Yep, so we check on the microscope, and I think I have a corrosion right there. Yes. So we check the fuse and see. So there is a broken fuse. Yes, so we need to replace the fuse to get it work. Yes, so this is a donor board. We check and then see. So this fuse is okay. So we have to alcohol. Just the fuse again. Okay, so we check for short. Okay.